Yes.
Yeah, okay, we're recording now.
Let's look at TH. Now, we have two forms in the English language. We have a soft or voiceless, or a hard or voiced th. So, if we look at using that and how they apply, if you look at the sheet you've got there, you'll see that the first line has think of three themes. That's a voiceless TH. Let me hear you do it. Let me hear you make that sound.
Think of three themes.
Okay, let's start with just the sound. Good. Think of three themes.
Think of three themes.
Good, okay. Then we have the voiced or hard TH. And that works with the lines such as, though they were there. Let me hear you say that.
Though they were there.
Good. Can you feel the difference in your mouth about how those two sounds work?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the first sound, what are you doing? How does your mouth work? What do
You're
you have
putting
to
your
do?
tongue quite close to your teeth.
Yeah. I'd say suggest that you put it through your teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It actually comes out your mouth.
Okay, so let's just make that first sound again. The soft one, the voiceless.
Think. Think.
Just the sound. Good. Okay, so let's just make the hard sound now, or the voiced TH. That's th.
Th.
Okay, so you have
Th.
and th. Let's hear the two sounds.
And th.
Good. Good, good, good. That sounded good. Okay, stop. I'll do for that.